Reader View is one of my favorite features in Safari. When viewing an article or most any web page that has primarily text as its content, Safari will be able to automatically recognize that and present it in Reader View, which is much easier to look at than a typical web page. When I tap on the link to this story on bleacherreport.com, as it loads, notice that a Reader Available notification appears momentarily in the search bar as the page loads. This page is littered with ads, graphics, and other links. To switch to Reader View, tap the Page Options button up here and then Show Reader. That converts the article to a much cleaner and easier to read page. While in Reader View, use the View Options button to adjust the text size, the font, and background color. I typically prefer one of the darker background options. We can even have the article read aloud with a tap on the Listen to Page button.
Updated trade landing spot predictions for top NFL stars during 2026 NFL Draft. The 2026 NFL Draft will bring with it a frenzy of trading activity. While picks are sure to be dealt, some of the league's biggest names could be on the move as well. Several stars have already been traded during the lead-up to this week's big event.
Tap the More button here, and we can choose to use Reader automatically for this site. Let's activate that, and then go back out to the Bleacher Report homepage and tap on a different article. As the page loads, it automatically switches into Reader View. We can always switch back to the original web page from the Page Options button. This works the same over on the iPhone. Enter Reader View from the Page Options button. Links in Reader View will still work. Single tap to jump directly to that page, or tap and hold to get a preview and open it in a new tab. Using the Reader option in Safari is a great way to get a much cleaner presentation of the content you want to read.